Challenge 5. Broker Alliances. Let's see what we got here. Dark Storm. One Devout. Shadow Sarkis. Leviathan. Wastelander. Claymore. Bounty Hunter. Devon. Jericho. And we're going to use two ways. No, this is a backup. In case everything goes wrong, we'll use two Wastelanders and we'll use Crucibles, but I do not intend to use them. And then to clean up the base. No, don't go anywhere. 8 Wastelanders. Okay, let's go in and let's kill this thing. All right, let's get in here. Just bring them in, get them in position, and then we're going to try to get them all to come in and attack us, and we'll kill them as they come. All right, that's good right there. Put him right there. Put him over here, because we want you to be a distraction. You go over there. Deselect, move him up a little bit. Give us more time to kill him. That's good right there. All right. Now let's bring him in. They're going to go after the Devon, so when they go after the Devon, we're going to kill them. There you go. Bring him in. Come on, come on, come on. Go after the Devon. When he comes in, we kill him. There you go. Don't let him get away. Shoot him. Draw him in. The lag is trying to get me. Kill him. See if we can get him to come in. Come on, chase me. There you go. Kill him. All right, got to get a couple of these guys over here. Get rid of the barbed wire so that you don't get stuck in it. Come on, get in here. Get in here. Don't run away. There you go. Kill him. All right. Let's move everybody up a little bit. All right, that's good enough right there. Put everybody on hold. That's good right there. All right, put Devon over here so he's a distraction. Put him on hold. Where'd my bounty hunter go? Right there. I want him to draw everybody in. All right, now we got to move our Dark Storm out a little bit so we got more protection. Good enough. And now my Jericho will go out fishing. Nah, we didn't get there quick enough. Don't be in a hurry. Got plenty of time. Time is not a problem in this base. There. You want to get these new tanks Get his attention. Come on, get over here. Get his attention. There you go. There you go. Kill him. All right, what have we got? We got to get this guy. He's not too hard to do. He doesn't shoot you. You can kill him pretty easily. All right, what do we got here? All right, we got to come over here and do this side now. The lag is catching up to me here. Don't slow me down. Man, oh man, that lag is just putting a pain in the butt to me. Once we get this guy, we will send in our Wastelanders. All right. I think that's good enough. Yep, that's good enough. All right, we'll send in our Wastelanders now and then clean the base. And what we can also do is another good distraction. We'll send in Forest. And that will be another source of distraction while my Wastelanders run around. All right, that's good enough for you. Deselect. Bring in my Wastelanders. And let's clear this base. You get a little bit of damage, but you won't get much. This is the easy way to do it. Let your Wastelanders kill all these drones that are attacking. Oh, we got another one of these guys. He was hiding back there. Take him out. There you go. Oh, a rail's trying to get us. We don't like that. We're almost done. Lots of time. Take them out. That's it. Just that easy. Just that quick. Like I said, most of these guys we didn't use only if we got into a pinch, because it's a one, if you don't kill it in one shot, you got to start over. So I only bring them over as insurance. But we didn't get much damage. Let's see what we got for damage. Hurry up and wait for them to come home. Eight seconds. This is the main tune that did most of the work. Oh, don't stop on me now. Don't stop on me now.